Hi, today we'll see how we can control the speed of a DC motor. So normally we reduce the voltage or increase the voltage to reduce or increase the speed, but that is not the case. When we connect a motor to a microcontroller, best way to reduce the speed is using PWM or pulse width modulation. That's what we're going to see. So for this we will use a simple speed controller for a DC motor. There is a knob using which you can adjust the width of the pulse. So the voltage to the motor is not really adjusted, but or the duration with which voltage is applied to the motor is adjusted. So here I have the BO motor, or a simple battery operated motor, and in order to see the turning, I'll fix a wheel. Okay, so now if and you can see the power supply, we are giving constant 5-volt power supply. Now here on the oscilloscope you can see the pulse width. It's a very narrow pulse because the knob is set to the minimum. So now I'm going to turn the knob to increase the pulse width. You can see the pulse width increasing, but still the motor is not turning. Yes, so this much of pulse width is required for 5 volts. See? So this is almost 5 volt directly connected to the motor, because almost 100% pulse width is given to the motor. So again, let's reduce. So this way we can control the speed of the DC motor in a granular way. Perfect. See you again with another video like this. Thank you for watching.